The one thing that makes this place a very special place for the children, they are incredible. Every single child does their best every single day and loves being here. Children that happily skip through the gate in the morning and can't wait to get into the classroom.
My favourite thing about school is learning maths because it's my favourite.
Everything. I like everything, including every subject.
We learn something new every single day, and then you'll stay positive and you'll keep on trying and trying.
So before we had the kitchen, the food got delivered in hot boxes, was sat in the corridor sweating, and really didn't look that appealing or nutritious when they arrived on the table.
When the pod was first introduced, we had approximately 80 students regularly, but now that's gone up to about 140. And they enjoy the food. Everything is made on site, so the bread is made on site, the food is cooked fresh, the puddings are all made.
Now the whole process is much more about children making choices about their eating, making healthy choices. Our salad bar is cleared on a daily basis.
The polytunnel, which was obviously paid for by the Friends of the School, allows us to grow from seed, and the students are bought into that. We've got a core group of about 10 students in Year 5 and Year 6, and they basically give up their time to help. You know, every lunchtime they're in there growing, they're coming up with growth plans, they're talking to the ladies in the kitchen, and hopefully by the end of this year we'll be able to start producing food on a regular basis that we can then plan our meals around and cook in the pod. They can see where food comes from. They can actually see it being grown, they can see it being produced in the kitchen, and then they're eating it.
It makes me feel proud of myself, really happy working in the polytunnel.
We plant some food, vegetables and fruit. We water some plants and we level out the soil to plant the plants.
I'm pleased because we worked hard to grow them, to make space for the vegetables and all that.
The kitchen facilitates just a different dimension than that you can achieve in the classroom. But actually seeing things from the beginning, from growing them, to take them into kitchen, to preparing, to cooking, and for them to walk into the school hall at lunchtime and know that the food that they've grown is in the products, just that sense of pride. And I think that's something that comes through really strongly across school in most subjects. It's about a sense of pride, a sense of self, and I think that's something that the kitchen has added to our school.